right, happy Mother's Day. This is being recorded on Mother's Day, so shout out to all the moms. I wanted to bring y'all some more Corvette content and show y'all what is going on here. As you can see, I'm going to put a clip. We somewhat got this thing started today. It's pretty good news. I mean, definitely was happy to hear this thing run, or somewhat run. It's not running on its own power yet. It's kind of like you have to feed it some fuel to get it going. And that's the reasoning behind that, is because we haven't hooked up the full fuel system yet. It has a new gas tank back here. You can kind of see it back there. Y'all remember from the last video. So it has a new fuel tank. I was running through the lines, and I was going to use this and use the original lines, because the original lines are still, they're like still lines. But I think what we're going to end up doing, or the plan that we came up with, me and my brother, we're going to end up redoing the lines completely. We're still going to run the lines along the frame, like how they are on the original field lines, but we're going to use some good braided hoses. Makes sense. I mean, because honestly, it's probably best to handle those things now, because this motor, even though it is a good motor, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it to our knowledge. This motor will eventually come out. Even if it stayed in, I think I would want to clean up some things. I think I would want to get rid of that fan, go electric, really just modernize it. So stuff like that. You know, clean up all these little loose wires and stuff. Looks like this goes on there like that. Oh, so that's how it's done. Okay. Yeah, so that's on there like that. The carburetor was rebuilt. I rebuilt it myself. We were checking to see if it had any leaks. And not that I know of, but I can't tell you for sure. But it seems to be working. We'll know more once we get everything hooked up. We'll see what's going on. But yeah, I mean, pretty much under here, I would just want to clean it up. Maybe make some more room, but until it gets the other motor, which hopefully will be a LS, we'll at least have the fueling stuff already handled, which is good. Because, I mean, given the nature of the car, and I feel like since it's been sitting for so long, I think those fuel lines are shot anyway. So we might as well just do it while we're there. And, you know, we got time. We got plenty of time, so I'd rather take my time and do everything right, really do a full restoration, because that's what this pretty much is going to be, a full restoration. Interior-wise, I mean, it's not much we're going to do there. Everything's already here. We have the door panels. Probably going to change up the steering wheel a little bit. Other than that, I mean, yeah, I don't know. Redo the carpet. Maybe add some speakers in the back or something. Or a speaker, you know, like nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. That's the plan with this car. It's going to have some nice wheels on it, nice paint job, LS, and we'll leave it like that. So I still have some parts to put on. So in the next few weeks, in the next few videos, you'll see I'll be putting some more stuff on. I have a transmission pan that I want to see if it fits, or if I got the right one, hopefully. According to what I looked up, this car is supposed to have a turbo 400 transmission, because it is the automatic version. But I believe they also came with the turbo 350 transmission. So I'm not sure. I kind of looked under there, but I need to kind of really get under there to see, to know for sure if it's a turbo 400. But hopefully it is, because from what I heard, that's the better transmission. And then that pan will go right on. And I already have the gasket, everything. And then at that point, we'll just be putting new fluids in. We did check the fluids as far as the motor as well. The motor oil was pretty good. It looked like the level was good too, so we're good there. So since the transmission fluid is going to come out anyway, I figure we'll put new transmission fluid in it once we put that pan on. And I think everything else, as far as parts, I've put everything else on. This is just all leftover stuff. I have some brake pads to put on, but I'm not going to put those on until I get the rotors. And as far as the brakes, I think we're going to do them one at a time. Start with this side, and then we'll eventually come back around to the other side. So when I'm doing that transmission stuff, we'll put it all on fours and end up doing the front and the back. And yeah, I mean, that's where we are with it. Making progress. I mean, this is way better condition already since I got it. Since we got it over here, was able to clean it up under there a little bit, and I vacuumed out the interior. These seats were covered in dirt at one point, so they're all cleaned up. I just cleaned them up with some little leather cleaner, but they'll probably still get touched up once I take them out and stuff, but that'll be at a later date. Luckily, my neighbor actually works on fiberglass like this for his job, so he is going to be helping us repair that. That's the only spot that's really damaged, other than right there. And then on the other side is a little slash right here. Other than that, the body's straight. There's no problems. So he'll be helping us with that, so that's good. Good resource to have. And then chrome and stuff, I mean, we pretty much have all the chrome put up somewhere. We'll probably just do an assessment and see, you know, what we're missing. But I believe we have everything. Lighting, I saw these cool lights that I want to get for these from Anvil, because I think this one is broken. So I'll definitely be looking into that. Same thing with the headlights. I found some cool ones. And I want to do what everyone does, but that'll probably be at a later date once the other motor is in. But I want to convert these to electric, so where they don't run on the motor, because they use vacuum pressure to pop up. Most of the time people have issues with them. So yeah, so there go the brake pads. I'm not sure if that's the front or the back ones. I think they're all the same, but got some brake pads over here. I'm actually gonna clean out that box at some point, because I have parts from another car that I no longer have. And I'm gonna clean that out and put all the parts for this car in that box. Everything that I collect, or stuff I don't want to get messed up or lost or whatever. Probably like that little stuff in there. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else I can think of. That tire I need to put on here. I don't know if it was this side. I think it's this other side. Yeah, it was this side. That one's dead as a donut. I don't know. It's crazy. I just bought that one and it don't work. So got an extra tire for it. And that's really about it. I mean, y'all have seen a lot so far. Like I said, we still making progress on it. It is not a easy project, but it'll be worth it. And it just takes time. That's how it is with all these classic cars. You know, this is not like your typical Mustang or Camaro that you buy off the dealership and you just add wheels and exhaust and you're done. No, like this requires a lot of patience, a lot of research, figuring stuff out, a lot of reading. I've read a lot of articles and forums and books and stuff about how this car works and the systems and stuff like that. So, you know, I'm still learning. I mean, I don't know everything about this car. I'm still learning for sure. So, but yeah, I just wanted to tap in with y'all, let y'all know what was going on with the car. I know people were interested. And it's been a while since I let y'all know what was going on. So I'm still working at it, still moving and grooving. That shit crazy.